Welcome back, dear viewers. We're joined here in the studios of Hala Kuwait with our special guest, Dr. Amer Al-Jarrah, obstetrics and gynecology specialist. Of course, it's a pleasure to have you here in the studios of Hala Kuwait, Doctor.
Thank you for having me here.
Of course, Doctor, we'd like to know more. I think a lot of people, especially when they get pregnant in the first month, it's very hard to tell if you're pregnant or not. So what are the signs that we can know if we're pregnant or not?
Okay, in general, to hear this word, I am pregnant or you are pregnant, is sometimes a time that a couple are waiting for a long time. So first of all, they always, who is seeking pregnancy, they will keep checking their period. First thing, we will have a missed period. So the menstrual period of the woman will get delayed for 1 to 3 days, especially in a woman with a regular period. Also, she will start to have some other complaints like lower abdominal pain, like abdominal bloating, like some breast tenderness, something like she did not feel before. This is the first early. After that, she will go for sure for the pregnancy test.
Of course, and I think one of the most important questions, especially for pregnant women, they usually want to hear the heartbeat of their baby. So when is the right time to do that?
Okay, usually we advise to be, if there is any medical problem with previous pregnancies, to have the first visit between 7 and 8 weeks of pregnancy. Usually we calculate these weeks according to the first day of the last period with a special calculator. I think all pregnant women have special applications that calculate the date of pregnancy and the weeks. Usually there is 2 types of ultrasound, vaginal and abdominal ultrasound. In vaginal ultrasound, usually we hear it 1 week before, between 5.5 and 6 weeks. Abdominal ultrasound, usually between 6.5 and 7 weeks pregnancy, we hear the fetal heartbeat.
Of course, and I think sometimes a lot of women, especially when they're pregnant for the first time or during the first months, they have a lot of things that they're not aware of that they need to stop doing. That usually know it's your normal lifestyle. You do specific things that you're not allowed to do when you're pregnant. There's a lot of prohibitions. There's a lot of things you can't eat. There's a lot of exercises you can't do. So what are the prohibitions for pregnant women, especially during the first month?
No, in general, pregnancy, it's not related to the woman only. There is woman and there is a baby. There is 2 parts. Regarding the first 3 months, first trimester, usually is the time where the fetal organs, they are formed. So there is usually, yes, there is many prohibitions. We advise many things to stop, many things not to eat, many things or to avoid until the later in pregnancy.
So what are the things that we're not supposed to eat?
Okay. Let's start with food.